We'll be learning about our surroundings, like literal surroundings, the stuff in our home this week. Let's start it with the main one. In Azerbaijani, Master Azerbaijani word of the day, you have the main one is kapı. Kapı. Why? Because it's a door or gate or doorway. That's how you start to your main surrounding, your home, right? Let's discover some phrases and then sentences. Phrases first. Front door, main gate, at the doorway. Let's see how to say those in Azerbaijani. Ön kapı. Ön is front, first, main. Okay? Əsas QAPI, the main door. Kapı ağzında, at the doorway. You know the word ağız means the mouth. At the mouth of the door, basically, if you translate it literally. But it technically means at the doorway. Let's look at some sentences. First sentence. Yağış gücləndiyi üçün qapının ağzındakı suyu süpürüb içəri keçdim və qapını örtdüm ki, dəhlizə soyuq dolmasın. Two words you saw there. Let's translate. I meant two words for door. As the rain picked up, I swept the water away from the doorway, hurried inside and shut the door to keep the cold air out of the hallway. Yağış gücləndiyi üçün, because the rain picked up, got stronger. Güclənmək, to get stronger. But the right way to translate in this sentence, as the rain picked up. Qapının ağzındakı suyu süpürüb içəri keçdim. I swept the water away from the doorway. Süpürmek, swept. Süpürüb, I swept. Qapının ağzındakı suyu, the water from the doorway. İçəri keçdim, hurried inside, means I went inside. Və qapını örtdüm ki, and shut the door so, to keep the cold air out of the hallway. Dəhlizə soyuq dolmasın. Literal translation, watch. Dəhliz is a hallway corridor. Soyuq dolmasın, so the cold won't be filled into. That's the literal translation. Let's read the sentences again. Yağış gücləndiyi üçün qapının ağzındakı suyu süpürüb içəri keçdim və qapını örtdüm ki, dəhlizə soyuq dolmasın. As the rain picked up, I swept the water away from the doorway, hurried inside, and shut the door to keep the cold air out of the hallway. All right? Let's see another sentence. Bu yeni iş təklifi onun karyerasında birçok yeni kapılar açacak. Nice word. Let's see. This new job offer will open many new doors in his or her career. Let's see. Bu yeni iş teklifi. This new job offer. Literal simple translation. Onun kariyerasında, in his or her career, birçok yeni, many new kapılar açacak, will open doors. Bu yeni iş teklifi onun kariyerasında birçok yeni kapılar açacak. This new job offer will open many new doors in his or her career. Kariyera, you got it. Career, loan word. That was today's word kapı, and I have for you, if opportunity doesn't knock, it missed the right kapı. Now, don't forget to check Master Azerbaijani app available